Think about the feedback you collect today. If it only has a name and an email, it's hard to know which requests matter most. Was that request from a free user or a customer paying $10K a month? There are two main reasons to set up Canny Identify. First, to enrich your user data by passing details like company, role, and spend. And second, to authenticate your users in the feedback portal. These two features are not mutually exclusive. They can work together or independently depending on your setup. Let's first talk about data enrichment. You decide which fields to pass into Canny. It's flexible. Send whatever details matter to you when you prioritize feedback, such as the company name, job role, and monthly spend. With enriched data, you can build segments to see what matters to different groups, sort, filter, and score requests based on data fields, prioritize features tied to high-value customers or revenue. Alright, let's talk about how Identify also makes user authentication seamless. Here's how it works. A user logs into your app, they click to leave feedback. Your Canny portal opens in a new tab, already knowing who they are. Any feedback they give is linked to their account. Since no extra login is needed, more users share input. You can also control board access using Identify. For example, you can limit boards to only authenticated users from your app, restrict access to certain segments. Installing Identify involves adding a code snippet to your product. Setup usually takes under 15 minutes. We have ready-made instructions you can send to your development team. If you can't add the SDK, you can still send user data through integrations like Salesforce or HubSpot on our business plan. With Identify turned on, every piece of feedback tells a bigger story. You see which customers gave feedback, how much they pay, and what matters most to them. At the same time, your users move from your product to give feedback in Canny without any friction. To get started, set up the Canny SDK to access Canny Identify's features. Reach out to our support team if you have any questions.